Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Curl Conversation. So in this one I'm going to be telling you guys how I prep my hair for crochet installs and then how I maintain and moisturize my hair. So first of all, to prep my hair, I don't do anything really special. The only thing that I really do is that I do give myself a hair mask. One of the ones that I really love is Shea Moisture has a Jamaican black castor oil strength and hair grow mask. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll put it at the bottom. I really do love this mask, so I will put this in my hair. I'll probably leave it in for about 2 to 3 hours and then I'll rinse it out, and that's basically all that I do to prep my hair for my crochet braids. And then once I take it down, just side note, once I take it down, I do put in like a protein mask after it's been put up. So that's it. That's all I do to prep my hair. As far as maintaining, once I do braid my hair to the scalp, side note, I see a lot of fads, a lot of people that are doing braidless crochet braids, which is great. You'll see that I have actually done a couple as well. However, I will never suggest that you keep those for longer than a week, because a braidless crochet is basically pinning all your hair to the back, putting a net on it, and putting crochet braids on top of that. How are you supposed to moisturize your hair? And in the purpose of a protective style to maintain the strength of your natural hair without having to do stuff to it daily. That's why you're getting it out of your hair. So I will never recommend, nor will you ever see me having braidless crochet braids for more than a week, because I don't know how you're able to wash or moisturize your natural tresses with them all being back in a ponytail. Side note, I apologize. I've had a lot of people question me about it or comment and even DM me. I'll do them for you guys. If you guys want me to do them, I can do crochet braids or the braidless ones all day, every day. But just know that with any braidless hairstyle that I do, it's never going to be in for longer than a week. If it's a week, because I like to moisturize my hair at least every 2 to 3 days. And I can't do that with braidless. So sorry, that's my spiel for people that were asking questions. That's why I really just don't do braidless. I'll do them for like a cute, quick style, but it'll never be in that long. So back to the point. Once my braids I've got my braids down, I do go in with some Jamaican black castor oil, and I'll just, not grease oil my braids. And that's what I do before I put in the install. Now, once my hair is installed, I hear a lot of questions, how often do I moisturize my hair? I moisturize my hair every 2 to 3 days. And I do that with the Cantu Tea Tree and Jojoba hair and scalp oil, and I love it because it has like that tip, so I can get really down into it. So I do that every 2 days. If I have my crochet braids in longer than 2 weeks, then I'll use the Girl Plus Hair. They have a cleansing, restoring, and conditioning system. Okay. So it's just basically, this line is formulated to really take care of your hair while it is in a protective style. So I was able to pull the cleanser. So this is the cleanser. They've got the same tip. They also have a conditioner and then a restore, which is basically like an oil. So if I have my hair in for more than, well, maybe not 2 weeks, like a week and a half, I'll use this every week after that. So I will put this in like a week and a half, 2 weeks and a half, 3.5 weeks. By that time it'll probably be down. So I do use a cleansing system, and I'll put their website at the bottom so you guys can see it. I'm gonna stop talking. Once again, if you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to put them in my comment section or head over to my Instagram and DM me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys next Sunday. Bye.